Hi guys, this is Christine again from Mitsubishi Abad Santos Manila branch, and for today's video, samahan niyo ako and let's say goodbye with our 2025 Mitsubishi Expander variant. So yes guys, you heard it right. I know for sure na aware naman na kayo na available na yung ating 2026 Mitsubishi Expander. So if you are interested, we are accommodating reservations and nagpo-process na rin tayo ng application for the 2026 variant dahil marami na rin naman tayong available units for the 2026 Mitsubishi Expander. So ngayon, samahan nyo ako for the last time. Ayan, ikutan lang natin for the last time itong ating 2025. Pero at the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you kung ano yung mga existing promo and prices natin when it comes to 2026 Mitsubishi Expander. So yes guys, 2026 na po yung isi-share ko sa inyo na promo in this video, and mag-i-insert na lang din ako ng mga clips from other YouTubers or other videos na nagpapakita kung ano ba yung meron sa atin for the Mitsubishi Expander while waiting for the actual display. Mas maganda kasi guys na actual display yung ipakita ko sa inyo para at least maikutan pa natin maigi kung ano-ano yung meron sa unit na yon and kung ano yung mga features and function niya, kung ano yung nabago. And ngayon, samahan nyo ako, ayan, for the last time. Thank you so much. Mitsubishi Expander GLS or 2025 Mitsubishi Expander. Sobrang dami nating naging clients for this unit, and hopefully itong bagong design or this 2026 Mitsubishi Expander, mas madami pa tayong client na matulungan na makapag-avail. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako. So ayan guys, here is our last look for our 2025 Mitsubishi Expander GLS, and I know for sure na makakatulong pa rin naman tong video na to para sa ating mga clients na nilulook forward makapag-avail ng kanilang expander, lalo na yung mga bumibili ng mga second hand para at least meron silang idea kung ano ba yung makukuha nila sa unit na to. And for the GLS, yung mga changes niya, I'll be listing it down dito sa screen kung ano ba yung difference niya with our 2026 para at least meron na rin kayong idea or background kung ano ba yung nabago or mababago for the 2026 model. So may for-release na rin ako guys na 2026 Expander. So once na dumating yun dito sa dealer namin, i-share ko siya kaagad sa inyo. So again, sa Expander GLS na 2025, meron tayo ditong LED na DRL. Meron din tayong LED na headlight, and sa fog light natin is lang siya, halogen. So, for the GLS 2026, let's see kung LED na rin ba siya. Mas maganda kasi in actual. So, pagdating sa mag, 17-inch na two-tone alloy rims, and I know for sure, nakita niyo na rin kung ano yung existing design ng ating 2026. Then, sa side mirror, still we have chrome side mirror with integrated turn signal light. Naka-keyless operating system pa din naman siya. Then, sa loob, ayan, ito yung loob. So, wala na po kaming units ng 2025. So, yung nandito is display unit na lang. Then, sa steering wheel, ayan, we have 3-spoke, leather wrap na steering wheel. May voice command function and hands-free button. Cruise control, equipped pa rin naman siya. Then, as far as I know, yung head unit ng ating 2026, mas malaki na siya. Dahil 10-inch na siya and meron na rin siyang 360 camera. So, equipped na rin yung ating 2026 ng active yaw control, which is only available before sa ating Expander Cross. So, ito siya guys, transmission, ganun pa din naman 4-speed automatic with electronic parking brake and brake auto hold. Then, we also have here 2 cup holders. And let's see, pagdating ng 2026 dito sa dealer namin, try natin kung nandito pa tong unit na to para at least magkaroon tayo ng quick comparison. So, ayan. Yung 2026 is nasa around 1,259 if I'm not mistaken. So, ayan siya guys. Maraming salamat sa ating Expander GLS na sobrang daming bentang binigay sa atin this 2025, and we are looking forward na by the 2026 unit, mas madami pa din tayong matulungan. So, para sa mga planning, mag-avail ng unit ng 2026 Mitsubishi Expander. Ayan, nagpa-process na po tayo ng credit application, and we are offering also low down payment offers para sa ating Expander variant. So, guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, quick goodbye for the GLS 2025. So, i-share ko sa inyo kung magkano ba yung existing promo natin.
Expander GLX
for
manual
the
transmission, it retails for
2026
1,099,000. So, yes, of course, 2026, nag-price increase din siya. Then, lowest down payment natin for that unit is 29,000 if ma-approve kayo sa BDO, BPI, and RCBC. Then, for the GLX automatic naman, it retails for 1,159,000. Lowest down payment din natin doon, guys, is 29,000. So, kailangan ma-approve din kayo sa BDO, BPI, and RCBC. So, for other bank approval, iba po yung down payment nila and mas mataas sila. So, for the monthly amortization, guys, nagbabari siya. Depende sa bank approval natin. So, you can message me directly para makita nyo yung different options natin when it comes with our 2026 Expander. Then, for the Expander GLS Automatic, which is yung counterpart na nitong unit na to, so, it retails for 1,259,000 and lowest down payment natin is 15,000. So, before yung 2025 Expander natin is naka-zero down, ngayon may minimal down payment na tayo for the 2026, which is 15,000. So, let me know in the comment section if worth it ba yung naging upgrade ng from 2025 to 2026, since magkano lang din naman yung difference niya, guys, from 1,216 to 1,259. So, ayan siya again. So, this unit is graphite gray metallic. So, may ibang color options na rin tayo, especially with Expander Cross, na wala na siyang graphite gray. So, for Expander Cross, available colors na lang natin would be green bronze metallic, orange, and quartz white pearl. So, guys, if you have any questions regarding with our Mitsubishi units, feel free to message me through my social media accounts, Christine Salazar Olimba. Pwede niyo po akong i-message directly sa aking Facebook Messenger, Viber, WhatsApp, and BoTeam. And for sure, maa-assist ko naman po kayo. So, if ever na hindi kagad ako makareply, you may also try to contact my husband, Joey RJ Olimba or Joey Boy Palaboy. Pwede nyo rin i-visit yung kanyang YouTube channel for other unit reviews, and meron siyang mga uploads regarding sa mga comparison videos ng ating mga line-up dito sa amin sa Mitsubishi. So, sobrang basic lang naman ng requirements needed kapag mag-a-apply kayo ng auto loan, guys. Kailangan lang natin is 2 valid IDs and proof of income. So, 2 valid IDs and proof of income. So, when you say proof of income, that's COE, payslip, bank statement, remittances, and all. So, pwede ko kayong i-assist. Message nyo lang ako dahil through my messenger, guys, doon ko rin po isa-send sa inyo yung aming credit application form na pwede nyong fill outan online. So, if residing kayo outside Metro Manila and gusto nyo mag-avail dito, sobrang dali lang ng process dahil through online lang po kayo mag-a-apply. Then, mostly ng mga clients ko, sa araw na kami ng release nagkikita. Then, another one, guys, is if meron kayong mga for quotations, pwede nyo rin i-forward sa akin kung may preferred kayo na down payment, monthly amortization. Let me know para mabigyan ko kayo ng actual computation. So, yung nabanggit ko palang down payment, guys, not included din yung bank out-of-town charge. Again, if residing po kayo outside Metro Manila, meron po tayong minimal bank out-of-town charge. So, one-time payment lang naman yun. So, let me know or tawag lang kayo sa akin para malaman nyo kung anong purpose ng bank out-of-town charge. Then, yun lang naman, guys. If you have any questions or concerns regarding with our Mitsubishi units, feel free to message me again, Christine Salazar Olimba from Mitsubishi, Abad Santos, Manila. So, abangan nyo, guys, yung magiging upload natin for the 2026 Mitsubishi Expander. See you on my next video. Bye!